Assalamualaikum. In this audio presentation, we shall cover IP subnetting. Let's start with the IP addresses first. IP address is the means whereby an entity on a network can be addressed and is written in dotted decimal format or in binary form. Each IP address belongs to a class depending on the number in the first octet. The structure of an IP address for any one class is different. Each IP address has a network address and a host address in it. The network part of the address is common address for any one network, while the host address part is for each individual device on that network. Let's start the subnetting part now. To subnet network is to create logical divisions of the network. Subnetting therefore involves dividing the network into smaller portions called subnets. Let's see an example of class C address, which has the 24 bits of the network address and 8 for the host. We borrowed the leftmost bit of the host address and declare it as identifying the subnet. With only one borrowed bit, we can have only two possible subnets. By the same token, that also reduces the number of hosts we can have on the network to 127, down from 255. But how can we tell how many bits should be borrowed or how many subnets we want to have in a network? The answer is with the subnet mask. All the subnet mask does is indicate how many bits are being borrowed from the host component of an IP address. In the following diagram, there is a subnet mask for class C address. The subnet mask, when translated into bits, indicates which bits of the host part of the address will be used to determine the subnet number. Of course, more bits borrowed means fewer individually addressable hosts that can be on the network. Sometimes all the combinations and permutations can be very much confusing. So here are some tables of the subnet possibilities. Hopefully it was helpful. Thank you so much for your precious time.